Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice Diophantine equation 1 over a plus 1 over b equal to 2 over 35. Our job is to find all possible values of a plus b such that a and b are positive integers. So let's start. We will solve it using Simon's favorite factoring trick. If you have your own solution, please share in the comment section. Now let's start our solution. We take the LCM of these two denominators a and b. The LCM of a and b is a times b. So ab divided by a is b, b times this one b, plus ab divided by b is a times 1 is a, equal to 2 over 35. Now we use a cross multiplication. We multiply this 2 by AB and we multiply this 35 by B plus A. So this will become 2 times AB equal to 35 times A plus 35 times B. Move these two terms to the left hand side. This will become 2AB minus 35 times a minus 35 times b equal to 0. Now we multiply the whole equation by 2. So this will become 4 times ab minus 70 times a minus 70 times b equal to 0. To complete the factors, we add 35 squared means 1225 to both sides. So this will become 4 times AB minus 70 times A minus 70 times B. We add 1225 to the left hand side equal to 0, and we add 1225 to the right hand side. Now from these two terms we can factor out 2a. In bracket left 2b minus 35, and from these two terms we can factor out negative 35. In bracket left 2b minus 35 equal to 1225. Now this 2 times b minus 35 is a common factor, so we factor out this 2 times b minus 35, and in bracket left 2 times a minus 35 equal to 1225. Now because a and b are positive integers, so this 2a minus 35 is also a positive integer, and this 2b minus 35 is also a positive integer. This 1225 can be factorized as 1 time 1225 or 1225 times 1, and 5 times 245 and 245 times 5, and 7 times 175 and 175 times 7, and 25 times 49 and 49 times 25, and 35 times 35. Due to symmetry, we get same solutions for these cases, so we solve only these cases. This is case 1, this is case 2, this is case 3, this is case 4, and this is case 5. First we solve this case 1 time 1225. In case number 1, we write these factors 2 2 times a minus 35 times 2 times b minus 35 equal to 1 time 1225. So this is 2a minus 35. 2 times a minus 35 will be equal to 1, and this 2 times b minus 35 will be equal to 1225. If we add 35 to both sides, this implies that 2 times a is equal to 36 and a will be equal to 18. From this equation, add 35 to both sides. This will become 2 times b equal to 1260, and b will be equal to 630. So a plus b will be equal to 18 plus 630, and a plus b will be equal to 648. So from this first case, we get first solution a plus b equal to 648. Now we solve the second case, 5 times 245. In case number 2, we write these factors: 2 times a minus 35 times 2 times b minus 35 equal to 5 times 245. So this is 2a minus 35. 2 times a minus 35 will be equal to 5, and this 2 times b minus 35 will be equal to 245. Add 35 to both sides. This will become 2 times a equal to 40, and if we divide both sides by 2, this implies that a is equal to 20. From this equation, add 35 to both sides. This will become 2 times b equal to 280. If we divide both sides by 2, this implies that b is equal to 140. So a plus b will be equal to 20 plus 140. A plus b will be equal to 160. From the second case, we get a second solution, a plus b equal to 60. Now we move on to case number 3. In case 3, we have 7 times 175. In case number 3, we write these factors: 2 times a minus 35 times 2 times b minus 35 equal to 7 times 175. So this 2a minus 35 will be equal to 7, and this 2b minus 35 will be equal to 175. Add 35 to both sides. This will become 2a equal to 42, and this implies that a is equal to 21. And add 35 to both sides. This will become 2 times b equal to 210, and this implies that b is equal to 105. So a plus b will be equal to 21 plus 105. A plus b will be equal to 126. From this third case, we get a third solution, a plus b equal to 126. So we move on to case number 4. In case number 4, we have 25 times 49. In case number 4. We have 25 times 49. So we write this factor 2 times a minus 35 equal to 25, and we write this second factor 2 times b minus 35 equal to 49. Add 35 to both sides of this equation. This implies that 2 times a equal to 60, and this implies that a is equal to 30. From this equation, add 35 to both sides. This implies that 2 times b is equal to 84. This implies that b is equal to 42. It means that a plus b will be equal to 30 plus 42, and this implies that a plus b will be equal to 72. So from this fourth case, we get fourth solution, a plus b equal to 72. Move on to case number 5. In case number 5, we have 35 times 35. In case number 5. In case 5, we have 35 times 35. So we write this first factor 2 times a minus 35 equal to 35. And we write this second factor 2 times b minus 35 equal to 35. Add 35 to both sides of this equation. This implies that 2 times a equal to 70, and this implies that a is equal to 35. And from this equation, add 35 to both sides. This implies that 2 times b equal to 70, and this implies that b is equal to 35. It means that a plus b will be equal to 35 plus 35. So a plus b will be equal to 70. From the fifth case, we get fifth solution of this equation 70. So the final set of solutions of a plus b will be equal to 70, 72, 126, 160, and 648. This is the final answer of this problem.